Ever wondered why some of your deposits at Patriot Bank seem to clear instantly while others leave you waiting for days? After managing my accounts here and testing every method available, I've realized that fast posting isn't a matter of luck, it's about choosing the right lane for your money. If you need your funds available immediately, internal transfers are the undisputed king. When I move money between my own Patriot accounts or receive a transfer from another Patriot customer through their online portal, the balance updates in real time. There is no clearing window, it is just there. For external funds, I've found that Zelle is the most reliable shortcut. Since Patriot Bank supports Zelle natively, those transfers typically hit my account within minutes, even on weekends. It bypasses the standard ACH lag that usually plagues bank-to-bank transfers. Now, if you're dealing with a physical check, skip the teller line and use the Patriot Bank mobile app. In my experience, if I snap a photo of a check before the 3 p.m. Eastern Time cutoff on a business day, I usually see the funds, or at least the first $225, available by the next morning. If you miss that 3 p.m. window, you are effectively adding an extra 24 hours to your wait time. For business owners specifically, the real-time payment, RTP, network is a game changer. If you're funding payroll or moving larger sums from a supported institution, RTP posts in seconds, whereas a standard wire transfer can take 3 to 4 hours and usually carries a $15 to $25 fee. Whatever you do, avoid the standard ACH pull initiated from the Patriot side for external accounts. That is almost always the slowest route, often taking 3 to 5 business days to fully clear. If you have to use ACH, always push the money from the sending bank instead. It generally cuts the wait time in half. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.